guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's look we're going to be doing something quite simple. So as you can see by the title, I'm calling this date night makeup look for when you're not trying too hard. So yes, we want to just look like we're not trying too hard, like we didn't do a lot, we didn't do the most, we look natural, like it's like you just enhanced what you were naturally given, you know what I'm saying? So that's the kind of look that we're going to do today, so stay tuned if you want to see that tutorial. But first, before jumping into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on this channel. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the fam, and hit the bell as well to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now guys, let's get into the tutorial. Because we're doing a more simpler look, I'm going to start off with foundation. I'm going to start off with the face, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You've probably seen this so many times on my channel. It's because I love it, guys. Like, I reviewed it and then I fell in love with it. Like, I just love everything about this foundation, how it finishes, how it looks, how it lasts, and obviously definitely the price. So if you haven't seen that video, I will probably link it up somewhere in the video, or otherwise I'll also put the link in the description box as well. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to move on to highlighting my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, to highlight all the areas of my face that I usually highlight. The bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my forehead, Cupid's bow and chin. In case you're wondering why I'm wearing a polo neck in spring, I'm also quite disappointed. The weather has been turning on us the past 2 days, so I'm just like, okay, I guess I have to wear this now. Alright, now I'm blending out my concealer. Alright, now I have to be quick because my camera is kind of dying. I didn't charge it before. I don't understand why I didn't do that. I'm using the Early Loose powder in the shade Translucent Beige to set my areas where I use concealer. Moving swiftly along, I am using the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder to contour my face. But I don't want to contour a lot today because, like I said, I want this makeup to be more natural, so it looks like we didn't do the most, you know what I'm saying? Then on my forehead, and a little bit there on my jawline. And with a smaller brush, I'm going to go and contour my nose. Go right there on the sides of my nose. Okay, now I'm going to sharpen my contour a bit there by my cheeks a little bit and just use reverse contouring. With the same Yardley loose powder. Alrighty, moving right along for blush, I am using the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Peach Me Up. I'm using it right there on top of my contour on my cheeks. I love this blush so much, guys. And on my nose, as I usually do, right there in the center of my face. And on my forehead contour as well, a little bit of blush right there to brighten it up. I'm gonna highlight my face using Kate's highlighting palette, and I'm using the gold shade in the middle right there. I'm using a little bit of highlighter because we don't want to do too much today. Camera switched off mid the tutorial because again battery died on me, so I just quickly charged it up, and now I'm going to finish up the tutorial. I've highlighted my nose as well, and for eyeshadow I've decided that I'm going to use this Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. We're going to go into that Nana and use it as that shade and use it as a transition. I like this shade because it's quite neutral and it won't be that deep into the crease, so it will just create a little bit of dimension right there in the crease. That's where you want to blend it into. A little bit more. Okay, but not too much. Now we're going to move on into that gorgeous Maroon. Take some of it and use it on the eyelid. Spread it there across the eyelid. Going back into that shade again and applying it underneath my lower lash line. Gorgeous, admit it. We are gorgeous. We are naturally glowing, naturally flawless, looking like we woke up like this, but we can still see that there's a bit of makeup, and that is the idea that we're going for. So watch the rest of this video. We're finishing up real quick. Yes, going back into that eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, what do I call this, highlighting palette. Taking the middle shade and popping it into my inner corner of the eye to let myself glow some more. Hey. So I went ahead and used the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara on my lashes, and now I'm going to move on to lips. I'm using this is a no-name lip liner that I got from a Chinese store, and it's just a maroon lip liner. And now I'm going to use my legit matte lipstick, yeah, the red one. Yes, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and let me know what you think about this look. I think it's smashing hot. That's what I think. I think it's worthy of wearing on a date, and it literally, like, we've achieved our objective of staying sort of humble, sort of like we ain't trying too much, but yeah, we look good. This looks good. You could wear this on a date, and I hope you guys do enjoy recreating this look if you do recreate it. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video.